Hey, good morning. Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, and all you social channels. Anyways, what a beautiful day it is. February the 3rd. It is sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. And I'm going to go outside and do some work. Hey, good afternoon. Mr. Price here, in case you didn't know. Anyways, today I was out doing my usual thing and I happened to come across a Honda gx25 little 4-stroke rototiller, and with spring coming and the gardening season, hey, if I can get this thing running, it's going to be a plus for me and the missus. First thing is, the tines were all wrapped up in all kind of roots. So I got to finish getting those off and out of this so it'll spin freely, and then we'll see what else we get into. Well, I got most of them out. Boy, they're really tight in here. But for what I paid for this thing, it's well worth trying to fix. But I got a better idea. How about if I get with you after I get it all taken out? Yeah, I've just about got it all taken out. Oh yeah. Okay. There she be. She's an ornery little bugger. Okay, well, she don't want to fire, so let's drain the gas, pull the spark plug out, and see if we got any spark. Like I said, she's pretty dark. Okay, let's try her again. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Got her going. Let her run a little bit. Come on. Oh, you died. Man, she is burning some some Earl. I have a feeling that the rings in that piston are bad because I got oil coming out the carb already. That's not good. Looks like it might need a little more work than I thought. That's how things always are. A little more than what you thought. See what I mean? You gotta do a little investigation work. So might as well check. Oh my goodness. Let's see if there's any Earl in there. Might be a little bit too much oil in there. Put her down on the floor again and see if I can get her to fire. Well, it appears to me there was too much oil in it. You have to lay it down on its handle and then take your oil filter cap out, and it should just read a little bit on the dipstick. I probably took, I don't know, 4 or 5 ounces out of there. I mean, it was like all the way. So maybe it'll run better now. So let's check that out. Okay, one pull and she started right up. I don't see oil coming from the carburetor anymore. I don't see smoke coming from it either. Uh-oh. Hey, make sure that you like this video. It don't cost you anything, and it helps out the channel. I am the channel.